Hello dear fans. How acids interact with oxides. Knowledge of the chemical properties of acids, in particular, their interaction with oxides, will be of great help in performing a wide variety of chemistry tasks. This will allow you to solve computational problems, carry out a chain of transformations, complete tasks of a practical nature, and will also help in testing, including the exam. Necessary: sulfuric and hydrochloric acids, oxides of potassium, calcium, aluminum, test tubes. Instructions. Step 1. Acids are complex substances that consist of hydrogen atoms and an acidic residue. Depending on the number of hydrogen atoms, acids are classified into monobasic, dibasic, and tribasic. In the reactions of interaction of acids with oxides, hydrogen atoms are replaced by a metal. Oxides can be acidic, basic, and amphoteric. Acidic oxides correspond to acids, and basic ones to bases. Step 2. Basic and amphoteric oxides can react with acids to form salt and water. This type of reaction refers to an exchange reaction in which two complex substances exchange their constituent parts. Considering that the elements that make up the oxide can have different valences, different coefficients will be in the reaction equations. Step 3. Example number 1. Write two equations for the reaction of the interaction of hydrochloric and sulfuric acids with potassium oxide. When acids react with potassium oxide, which is basic, salt, potassium chloride or potassium sulfate, and water are formed. For this reaction, the monovalent metal potassium, which is part of the oxide, is selected. 2HCl plus 2O equals 2Cl plus H2O. H2SO4 plus 2O equals K2SO4 plus H2O. Step 4. Example number 2. Write two equations for the reaction of the interaction of hydrochloric and sulfuric acids with calcium oxide. When acid reacts with calcium oxide, which is also basic, salt, calcium chloride or calcium sulfate, and water are formed. For this equation, a bivalent metal is taken in the composition of the oxide. 2HCl plus Ch equals CaCl2 plus H2O. H2SO4 plus Ch equals CaSO4 plus H2O. Step 5. Example number 3. Write two equations for the reaction of the interaction of hydrochloric and sulfuric acids with aluminum oxide. When the acid reacts with aluminum oxide, which is amphoteric, salt, aluminum chloride or sulfate, and water are formed. For this equation, a trivalent metal is selected in the composition of the oxide. 6HCl plus Al2O3 equals 2AlCl3 plus 3H2O. 3H2SO4 plus Al2O3 equals Al2, so 4, 3 plus 6H2O. Thanks for watching.